Welcome to Backyard Bitch. I'm Aiden Jones and I'm the Backyard Bitch. Check this out. I learned this trick off of some fucking blog. You get a toilet roll, which are at a premium right now, but it's fine. You want to cut it into like quarters. I'll show you. So like, did I do it with a knife last time? Fuck, I can't remember. Cutting it like that. And then again the other way. And then get those corners. Fold it all down so they all kind of support each other, you know? In that fucking four-way. Same on the other side. So I've got two sides of my toilet roll like that. And then cut it down the middle. And you slice your fucking fingers off. You got... I mean, that is not the safe way to do it, I'm sure. But you got two little fucking planters there to plant seedlings in. How about that for a little trick? Yeah, I've done a bit of landscaping in the garden since the last video. And laid down the bricks to make my path, laid down the grass, planted the grass, and... the grass was probably the only thing so far that's been like a big success story, you know? I've done grass a few times now, so I kind of have a feel for like how you can plant it and how much care you need to give it and when it's gonna pop up. I have my video camera. Video camera? Who the fuck am I? I have my fucking phone ready for the day that I thought it was going to come up, and I came out here, and it was a lovely day because I didn't, like when I first got out, it just looked like dirt, and I was like, they didn't grow yet, and then I got closer, and they grew, man. It was so exciting. Come on. Not quite. Maybe tomorrow. Or maybe today. Oh, hello. Hello, little boys. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, and there they are. Oh, I knew I picked the right day to film. Come on. There's the fucking first blades of grass. That's so sick. Isn't that so sick, man? You can't even fucking see them, but like, there they all are. They're all coming out of brown. Oh, fuck. How fucking sick of plants and nature and shit. Look at all that. You fucking dog.
Hey backyard bitch, it's Flo from Scotland. I have a question for you. Are you the backyard's bitch? Or are you the bitch in the backyard? Thanks.
Hey Flo, thanks for your question. I do sometimes feel like I am the bitch in the backyard, and that feels good. And oh my god, I've just noticed that it's fucking germinated! Come on! Fucking, that's so exciting, man. This is status that I planted, as you can see there, on the 31st of March. Today is the 6th of April. And that little boy just went to market. But then sometimes I also feel like the backyard's bitch, you know? I feel like things are getting on top of me. As long as, and this is where I get a little hazy, as long as something, I don't know, fuck, I don't know the last bit. I think you can work with any kinds of soil as long as it's like fucking structurally something. I don't fucking know. Soil is so fucking complicated, man. I'm trying to learn and understand, and I don't fucking understand. I mean, I think everyone in their life would like to think that they are the bitch in the backyard all the time, but I don't think it's possible to be the bitch in the backyard all the time. I think everyone goes through periods where they really do feel like they are the backyard's bitch. And rather than being scared of those feelings, I try, and I'm not saying that I do it all the time, but I do try to accept those feelings when they come to me and allow myself to kind of be calm and ride those feelings out, you know, and not hide from them and not try and push them away, but just accept them. And hopefully then, you know, through those periods of being the backyard's bitch, I can learn, understand the reasons why I became the backyard's bitch in that period, and grow. And then hopefully next time when I feel like I'm the bitch in the backyard, I can bring a little of that knowledge and understanding to that new high, and you know, move forward and grow in my fucking life. Shut the fuck up. As always, if anyone has any questions for the backyard bitch, please email them as a video to backyardb69@gmail.com. Put "Hey backyard bitch" and then your name, where you're at, and then ask me whatever you want, man. Any question.
Hey backyard bitch, I have a question for you.
It's Flo from Scotland.
Are we doing that bit?
Yes.
Okay, delete it.